Right towards the side screen.
That's power. Do not underestimate this man by just looking at him. He has power hidden inside his bones.
हाँ लगते तीन ही है लेकिन है पहलवान. Tauqir Riyasat. 39 of 10. Look at that strike rate. Already 4 maximums to his name. Oh, good pull shot. Oh, photographer, बच जाओ. Look at that fielding effort. Lajawab. Wow. That is passion for you.
Passion for you as well, the photographer. He doesn't care what's happening behind him.
मेरा काम है फोटो निकालना. तुम क्रिकेट खेलो, कबड्डी खेलो.
तुम मेरे टांगों के बीच में से निकाल दो बॉल. गैप.
63 for 1. Projected score is looking towards 140. Oh, photographer bhai, बच जाओ. What a fielding effort. But it's going to be 6 more. Great effort by Nimish. पूरा मैदान निमिश के लिए तालियां बजाएगा. Heroic.
Nimish, number 14. He was completely in the air. A Superman effort.
ये कोई नया मार्वल सुपर हीरो है क्रिकेट का. Unbelievable. Oh, good delivery, but damage has been done. 24 off the over. 69 for 1 at the halfway stage. Interglobe Marine.
Globling Vesta, you can take the field now. Match will be begin shortly. Players, please take the field.
फिलहाल तो एक ही प्रशांत है जिसने सारे फैंस को शांत किया हुआ था. वो है हरि प्रशांत.
What an unbelievable performance.
कोई शांति नहीं है उसके नाम में, उसकी हरकतों में.
4-5 player of the match trophy वो ले चुका है. He has picked them on his car and drive around. हर पहिए के लिए.
वही स्टीयरिंग घुमाएगा वो.
Amir on 8 off 4 deliveries. Tauqir on to 47 already. Big heave towards the onside. Oh! ये किक मार के खुद ले गए अपने साथ. Unorthodox fielding effort, but effective.
Welcome to the semi-final 2 of IGM Dubai Shipping Trophy. Between Aegis Logistics and Shipping Vesta.
Check, check.
Aegis
Hey, 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 hey,
back
hey.
now.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey. Check, check.
Starts off
Check.
played it towards the long on for a single. Zahir, man in form, laid it straight to the field at Pikawa. The dot ball Tajuddin Mohammad, the bowler. Another good delivery, a dot ball. Good start from Tajuddin. That's wide down the leg. Zahir to face Tajuddin. That's high and that's connected really well. And that's the first six of the semi-final number 2. Zahir, the man on form. Hit it high and above the mid-off fielder and over the long off. A good start for EGS. Another one. Again. Same result. Back-to-back sixes for Zahir. A good start for Aegis. A good start for Aegis Logistics. Zahir, the captain. Hitting 2 back-to-back sixes. Another one again. That's the third six. Hat-trick of sixes for Zahir. And that takes the score to 20. What a start for Aegis Logistics. Hat-trick of sixes for Zahir, and that brings the score to 20 for no loss after 1 over. Ian Amit as the new bowler. Ian to bowl to Shijaz Bakar. Full toss. Just placed it. Flick of a wrist and first boundary for Shijaz. A great start. A lawful toss, flicked it over the fine leg fielder for a boundary. A great start for Aegis Logistics. Ian, another one, Played it straight to the mid-on region. That's a single. And on strike is a man of the hour, Zahir. Zahir. And that's out! The informed batsman, Zahir, clean bowled. Ian Amit has taken the wicket of Zahir. That's one down. AGS 25 for 1 after 1.3. A very good Yorker to get the wicket of Zahir.
Well, that's a mighty blow, Atul. They were looking for that wicket, and this man has scored a couple of 50s before playing the semis. So pre-quarter final scored 50. In the quarter final, 78 runs for him, and that's a big wicket. You can see and sense from the celebration.
So true. The kind of start that he gives for his team, that's what takes them ahead. Now, what will be the plan for the new batsman in Ashik? Ashik team, the new batsman in, will be joining Shijaz Bakar. The informed batter Zahir is back to the dugout now. Another good delivery, a Yorker length delivery, played it down the ground to long on, and that's a single. A good over so far, just 6 runs on the first 4 deliveries. Another good one, down the ground to mid-off. Just a single there. An attempted slog, misses it. A very good over for Globling Vesta. Just 7 of this over. AGS 27 for the loss of 1 wicket after 2 overs. That's the end of power play.
Friday comes and I'm free again.
A very good over by Ian comes to an end. 7 runs and a wicket. The prize wicket of Zahir.
Friday comes and I'm free again.
Ratan is a new bowler. That's high. Connected really well. Fielder. And that's wicket number 2. A good catch there. Shijaz Bakar back to the dugout. Wicket number 2 down for AGS Logistics. Both the openers back to the dugout now. After being hit for 20 runs in the first over, very good comeback by Globling Vesta. Ratan striking on the very first delivery of his over. Ratan has been consistently bowling tight overs for Globling Vesta. The new batsman in is Saeed Muhyiddin. And Ratan to bowl to Saeed. A good delivery. Played down the ground towards the mid-on for a single. A bulldoze delivery, played it down the ground. Running towards the boundary, Nimish the fielder. A very clean pick up and throw. Another single there. We've been able to put a hold on the run scoring. Another one high up in the air. And that's cleared. The mid-wicket boundary for a 6. That takes the score for AGS Logistics to 35 for 2 after 2.4 over. Saeed Muhyiddin batting on 7 of 2 balls. Ashik Hakim batting on 2 of 3. Batsman seems to have injured his back, getting a small treatment. An outside edge goes towards the third man, misses. And just 1 run. That misfield doesn't cost them an extra run. 2.5 overs, 36 for 2. Another good delivery into the block hole. That's a dot. After the end of 3 overs, the score is 36 for the loss of 2 wickets. After being hit for 20 runs in the very first over, Lobling has been able to pull things back. And Leslie to be bowling the 4th over. A quicker one. Played it straight down the ground. The Cows fielder comes in and collects it, just a single there. Globling wouldn't mind these singles. They do not want AGS to hit boundaries. A full toss delivery, played it straight and dropped it. Ian was the fielder over there, could not collect it cleanly, dropped just in front of him. Ashik should consider him lucky. Another good delivery. Quicker one. Batsman completely misses that. Another good delivery. Ashik one straight. Laid it down the ground. Collects it at mid-on. And just a single. This over has been really good. Just 3 runs off it so far. Leslie has been able to keep it tight. Leslie. Another one, clean hit. That was a good attempt over there, but that's cleared the fielder, the long off fielder for a 6.
Well, the cheering has been absolutely brilliant here. And middling also has been phenomenal. Yes, they lost 2 wickets, but they got the backup. Now, slowly, but brewing another partnership here.
Another one, a big hit. This time over long on. Back-to-back 6s.
That is a glorious hit.
Through that. An
Well-
over-pitch delivery. Hit over the long on fielder.
With that maximum, 50 comes up. It's 51 for 2 at the end of 4.
Up until the 4th delivery, everything was fine, and the last 2 deliveries dispatched for 6. Ashik Hakim, the chief and destroyer.
A bit of a shaky start. They'll be looking to get over 70 runs, at least if not 80.
With these batsmen in, 70 is a possibility. Even 80 is not that far.
Yeah, the partnership is now worth of 24 of 12. These 2 batters need to stitch together, and I think they need to play their remainers.
And they're facing Ian, who bowled a brilliant first over, taking the wicket of Zahir, who was the chief and destroyer in the first over. And this time he's got another wicket. Saeed Mohiddin is back to the dugout. Another quicker delivery, wanted to clear the infield, but just gets the top edge and straight to the Cows fielder.
Well, that looks a mighty blow. Well, to AGS Logistics. He was batting well and a performer walking out. 3 wickets down at 51.
With the current run rate of 11.77, the projected score showing is 71. And they should not lose any more wickets to reach that score. And that would be a challenging total as well. But you need to know that the opposition has the captain Hari Prashant, who scored the only century of the tournament.
Yeah, pretty dominant Globe Link West Stars are throughout the tournament, and especially Hari.
A catch there by Hari Prashant. The batsman gets a top edge. The ball keeps flying behind. He jumps and times the jump properly and gets it. That's wicket number 4 down for AGS Logistics. New batsman in is Lukman Azam Tarar. Oh, that was a very good delivery there. A dot ball to end the over. Very good over by Ian comes to an end. 2 overs, 12 for 3 wickets. We need to find out who will be bowling the last over. Ratan the bowler. High, and that's another wicket. Ratan was able to get the wicket off his first ball in the first over that he bowled, and now the first delivery of the second over that he bowled. AGS Logistics crumbling. 5 wickets down after 5.1 over, after a great start that Zahir gave them. 20 runs of the first over, and in the next 4.2 overs they just scored 36 more runs. Saeed Khan, the new man in, will be facing Ratan. Ratan has an impressive figure of 1.2 overs, 9 for 2. A slow one, just. Oh, that was a good attempt. And 2 runs. Saeed Khan get 2 runs. That takes the score to 58 for the loss of 5.
That was wonderful efforts in the deep. Great fielding, great commitment. We've got last 3 deliveries to go. How far they can go. Ish, and I think it didn't carry. Did it carry? Oh, I think they are appealing for stumping as well. It's all happening here.
There was an attempt, there was an appeal for caught behind. Need to find out what the umpire gave out for. That's been given an out. And that's another wicket down. Clean bowled. New batsman Shiaz comes in, Shiaz goes out.
Serious concerns there. They were looking at one stage to cross 80 or 70 plus. But that looks very difficult. If they get a boundary on the last delivery, that will take them par 60.
Last over by Ian yielded 2 wickets and just gave away 5 runs. And this over, already we have seen 3 wickets. 1 run out, 1 caught and 1 bowled. AGS crumbling under pressure after a very good start provided by the captain Zahir. The first wicket fell when the score was 24 and now they are 58 for 7. Good comeback by Global Investors. That's high. Fielder running in. That's dropped. They run in for the second one. That's a run out. What a throw there. It was a drop catch. And the fielder coming in from long on gets a direct hit So, the score is 59 for the loss of 8 wicket after 6 overs. The target is 60 for Global Investors to reach the finals of IGM Dubai Shipping Trophy.
Looks like an easy job, but it's a knockout. There must be a pressure of semi-finals, and AGS should be looking to fight back.
I am requesting both the teams to stay on the ground, please. We need to take a group photo. Both the teams, could you please stay on the ground? All the players from AGS Logistics. One more player is here. He'll be coming now. Please wait. One more player. One more player from AGS is coming. The target set by AGS Logistics is 60. So, Globelink Vestar requires 60 to win this match. In form Hari Prashant, who is the leading run scorer of the tournament, has scored 306 runs of 5 matches that he's played, and he's been dismissed just once, and his average is 309. Shijaz Bakar, the bowler, laid it towards the mid wicket for a single, off the strike, off the mark, and Ratan is on strike now. It's a good delivery within the line. A dot ball. Globelink Vestar require 59 runs. Two runs of 3 deliveries. Hari Prashant is on strike now.
All right, then countdown begins here. The chase is on. Globelink Vestars want to chase this one quickly. Edge and taken.
Outside edge and caught. Hari Prashant out for 1. That's a rare scene that you've seen in this tournament. Hari Prashant out for 1 run. New batsman in Nimish.
It's 2 for 1. It's a huge wicket fallen off Globelink Vestars. The captain departs, scoring only 1 run.
AGS knows the importance of this wicket. They were celebrating like that was one of the most happiest moments for them. New batsman in Nimish. And a very good over so far. Just 2 runs and have taken the wicket. That's a dead ball, signaled by the umpire. Something distracting the batsman. Another delivery, played it down towards the covers. And that's the first boundary.
That might break the shackles here. They are in need of boundaries, that they need to utilize this power play.
Ashik Hakim, the new bowler. That's it. That's a six. That's a six. That's a six. That's four signal by the umpire. Ratan the batsman off the mark with the boundary. Another clean hit. Good attempt there. 2 runs. Good running between the wicket. Another one, high up in the air. Fielders running in. And that's taken. Ratan back to the dugout. That shot was really high over the floodlight. And a good catch taken there. By Shehjaz Bakkar, new batsman in Tajuddin Mohammad. Another good delivery, a dot ball. Dream start for AGS. Bowling in really tight, not giving much width. And they've taken two important wickets of the in from Hari Prashant and Ratan. Another one high up in the air. And that's wicket number 3. After the fall of the wicket of Hari Prashant, Global Investor crumbling. Rahul, the new man in. New batsman in Rahul Suvarna to face Ashik Hakim, who's bowled brilliantly, giving away 6 runs and taking 2 important wickets. Another good delivery to finish the over. That's after the end of 2 overs, 12 for 3. A great start for AGS Logistics. Global Investor under pressure. 48 more runs required in 24 deliveries. That's 12 runs per over. That's quite achievable, given that Global Investor don't lose any more wickets.
The problem is the field restrictions are over and there are 3 wickets down. And now it's up to the bowler of AGS Logistics.
Shijaz Bakar to continue. Oh, he bowled a brilliant over. The first over, giving away just 5 runs, taking the all-important wicket of Hari Prashant.
I request Mr. Aman Molvi to please go on the stage. There is a special award.
Shijaz.
A special award to Soji Shah
Another one played it towards
for
the
coming over and
Fine leg
supporting
for
the
the
team,
single.
supporting the event. Cameraman, zoom karo. Cameraman.
Coming, he's coming.
Shijaz. That's wide.
Well, I think that's the only thing.
46 more runs required in 22 deliveries. This is turning out to be a very tight match. Hope for a nail-biting finish.
Thank you very much. Keep supporting. This is the spirit that keeps things alive.
Plays it towards Kawa. Quick running between the wicket and takes a single. Global Investor in a tight spot now. 45 required of 21 deliveries. Another good delivery. Ball goes towards the fine leg region. Another single. Tight bowling here by AGS Logistics. Another good delivery, a slow one this time. Batsman not able to read the changes that Shujaz Bakar is bringing in. AGS Logistics has been able to successfully keep the required run rate. Current run rate under 6. After the end of 3 overs, Globelink West has 16 for the loss of 3 wickets. 44 runs required in 18 deliveries. 14.75 runs required per over. Ashik Hakim to continue. Connects it well. And that's a 6. Welcome boundary. Now, the required run is 38 runs in 17 deliveries. Good connection there by Nimish. We would need all the experience that Nimish possesses for his team Globelink Westar to chase down 38 more runs in 17 deliveries. Another one. Edged and caught. The new batsman in is Leslie. Globelink Westar losing track. They're crumbling under pressure. 4 wickets down after 3.2 overs. The scoreboard reads 22 for the loss of 4 wickets after 3.2. 38 more runs required in 16 deliveries. Leslie to face Ashik. Ashik Hakim has bowled a brilliant spell, giving away 12 runs and taking 3 important wickets. Ashik to Leslie. That's high up in the air, fielder underneath it. Will that be another wicket? Oh, drops that. And quick running, 2 runs taken easily. That's an easy chance that was dropped.
Special token of appreciation. Volume please. Common mic volume. Check. A special token of appreciation. I would request Mr. Rais to please hand over this token of appreciation to 2 gentlemen who have selflessly supported the event. Starting with Zaki. Zaki, please come forward.
That's a good hit.
Zaki,
One
thank you
bounce.
so much.
Over the square leg
The
boundary.
effort behind this event was priceless. A small token of appreciation to Zaki. कहाँ है हमारे जुहेब, मास्टर जुहेब? The man behind the delicious drinks.
$13 ball, 26 runs is the tally. 12 runs per over now.
शानदार रूह अफ़ज़ा के पीछे जो राज था वो ये है. काफियों के गले भी खराब हुए हैं।
That's a dot ball to end the over. 26 runs required in 12 deliveries. 2 overs, 26 runs. This thriller is reaching a nail-biting finish.
Globelink, let's make some noise for your batters out there. In support for Globelink. In support of AGS Logistics. आवाज ही नहीं है भाई।
Saeed Mohammad, the new Saeed Mohiddin, the new bowler. That's connected. Will it clear? And that's dropped. Running for 2. And batsman makes ground. A good effort there in the boundary line, saved certainly a 6. But that was a catch which should have been taken. 24 runs required in 11 deliveries.
It's an exciting battle. Here at round number 3.
Another low scoring thriller. What a fielding over there. Certainly saved 2 runs for his team.
Wow, magical effort. Superman stuff.
22 more runs required in 10 deliveries. Can be anyone's game.
Looks like he's injured himself, has he? Ashik. He has been putting his body on the line throughout. Magnificent effort there in that quarter-final battle. Looks like he's pulled his muscle.
Two more of the last 10 deliveries. Anyone's game. Another one. Just a single. That's a no ball. Just a single off the free hit. 19 runs required in 8 deliveries.
Doable. Within reach.
Within reach for both the teams. 2 good deliveries. Good shot. Anything can happen here. The semi-final 2 is turning out to be a thriller. This is what happens when it is a low-scoring match.
Yet another low-scoring thriller.
Good running. Batsman makes his ground. A single there. 18 runs in 7 deliveries. Last ball of the 5th over. That's a slower delivery. Good deception there. Slower delivery. And that's a single to end the over. 17 required of the last 6 ball.
Everything's happening here at round number 3. It's quite intense. It's about 2 big hits.
Or 2 wickets.
It's just a matter of 3 balls, 3 big hits.
Now we need to see who's bowling the last over. Shahid Ali. Shahid Ali to bowl the last over. Leslie is on strike. Leslie batting on 13 of 7 deliveries, 1 4, 1 6. Shahid to Leslie. That's connected. Will it clear? And that's 6 number 1. Now it's 11 of 5. That was a clean hit by Leslie. Would have been 6 in any ground. Shahid to Leslie. 11 run required of 5 deliveries. Global Vesta just 2 hit away. Another one. Batsman running in for 2. Throw it. And that's 2. That's 2 runs. 9 of 4. Nine runs required in 4 balls.
It's heated up.
Again, 2 hits away. Another one. Played it straight.
Oh, what a costly miss this is going to be. You can't afford to miss this. You have to be behind the stumps. That's basics. Presence of mind, not present at the right time.
Seven
Players,
runs.
please stay back. Players, please stay back from the boundary ropes. .53 for 4 in 5.3. 7 required of 3. What a match. Worthy of it being a semi-finals. Low scoring battle, yet another thriller.
As I told you earlier, I'm a sucker for low scoring matches. That gives the best of each players.
That's pressure. That's pressure of the situation.
That's wide and now,
1 hit away, Atul.
yes, 6 of 3.
What a match. What a roller coaster. What a seesaw.
High in the air.
Gone, done.
Leslie has done it for Globling Vesta. What a shot.
What a match. What an innings by Leslie. Leslie turned out to be the Bruce Lee. What an innings. Oh, what an innings. What an innings. Umpires? What a thrilling battle. And then yet another thrilling battle is what we are going to expect here. It's going to be Interglobe Marine taking on Globelink Westar in the finals. And here for the third place, we'll have the losers of the semi-finals battling it out for number 3 position. But what a game of cricket we have witnessed here at ground number 3. 17 runs required of the last over. And Leslie pulled it back from the jaws of defeat. What an innings. Magical. Guys, there is a 30 minutes break. Please have your dinner before we head into the grand finale.